tiny, but like cool tiny.
You gotta understand that we get one chance.
It's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
This is so cool.
Now it's time for something better, and time for us to follow our dreams. No, we can't stay no more. Oh, come run away.
Today we are taking a 50-minute road trip to a valley here in Chiang Mai where there's a whole bunch of really cool, unique accommodations, and we are going to be staying in one of them.
Roaming in the wilderness, we never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs, dancing by the lakeside, gonna do it while we're young. In a moment it will all
So I think we're at the place where we're gonna check in now, but this is the view that is greeting us.
This place is so cool. There are tents and domes and huts and tiny houses everywhere.
So we're gonna go and check in now, or try and check in. I'm not sure where to go. And then let's go see our tiny little home.
Want to check in?
Where are we going?
Oh, this is so cool. I'm so excited.
Going like a secret passageway.
So cool. Look how cool they look.
What an entrance!
I know,
This is so crazy.
cool.
Whoa, look at where we are.
So this is the bridge that we have to cross
No
to get into our
way.
little tiny house. How cool is that? That is just, oh, so cute. I hope you're not afraid of heights or anything.
Oh, this is quite scary.
Look at the risky.
Cup and tap.
As soon as you walk in, I mean, it's literally like a triangle on stilts. We've actually got a full-on TV, we've got Wi-Fi, we don't have air conditioner, but we've got a little fan.
But it's freezing here, so
And
you don't
it's
need
freezing.
aircon.
I mean, I'm wearing a hoodie. We've actually got a full-on cozy bed. This is a typical Thai bed, I
But
think.
the bed has got this view.
I mean, right?
This is the window for the
This
bed.
is the view.
This is what your bed looks at.
Wow! For once, I can touch the ceiling.
No way.
How cool is this? Okay, you have to.
I don't
have a
know
look.
if I'll fit in there.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, I cannot fit in this door.
You can't.
I'm gonna have to duck.
Oh, I can fit in the door. Oh my. How cool is this? Okay, take a look at the shower. For scale,
How am I going to shower
I
there?
can look over the shower door. How cool is
How am I going to fit in there?
Oh, you fit really well. You fit nicely. You actually look so funny from here.
There's just a tap. Oh well, we got a shower.
Yeah.
For you.
Oh.
Okay, and then we have a basin. Perfect.
How cute is that basin?
The way they fitted everything into this small space,
It's actually
you can see
unreal.
the whole like triangular shape, and then they've just somehow fitted everything. And the toilet,
Yeah.
which if you're very adventurous or brave, you can just leave the door open with the most incredible view.
Incredible view whilst doing your business.
That's the dream.
It doesn't get much better than that.
Even the door is cut out. Get
Oh.
nervous, I'm gonna bump my head. I already bumped it once.
You've been here 5 minutes.
And then this is our private balcony.
We've got a little garden, like a little lawn of
This is our little
astroturf.
lawn, and then
Oh.
you're gonna have to do that.
Why not? Why can't you do it?
I'm gonna be too nervous to stand on that.
Let the brave girl go onto the net, you know, with like a, I don't know, 50 feet drop.
It looks sturdy-ish.
Would you like to try?
I'm nervous just standing over here.
Oh my word.
That is crazy.
This is actually quite epic. I could get used to this.
And
Look
sitting
at
on the
this.
net, this is what you get to look at.
This is our view.
And then we have like a seat with nothing on the other side but a drop, and it's higher than it looks.
Wow.
I'm feeling nervous just watching.
How cool is this? I wonder who the most adventurous one is. Chev or Dev? I think Chev. So Devin has just gone to go and collect our bike because it was all the way at the top, and we had to walk down a lot of stairs to get to this little tiny house. There are only 2 of these in this area, I think, because you've got like the igloo domes, and you've got other tents. You've literally got like camping tents, and then you've got glamping tents and things like that. But I have to tell you, the most magnificent view, it's actually starting to rain a little. I mean, there's the other one, there's me, and we're in the valley. I mean, it absolutely cannot get much better than this. So there's some igloo tents up there, and then over here you've got some like, they look like shipping containers, and then you've got ours. And we heard that the sunset and sunrise is absolutely fantastic here. So hopefully we get to see either a sunset or a sunrise. It actually is raining right now. I just wanted to point out that we are literally on stilts. I mean, this is the other house just for example, but there's no connection to water and things like that. And we have got a fully functioning toilet. We've got a tap that works. Yeah, there's water. And we are literally off the ground. And there's a satellite dish, so we've got TV, we've got Wi-Fi.
That's so funny.
What about...
But
that's where we'll be. Wow, look at that view. You'll see it at 5 in the morning. You have no choice. We should just keep it open.
we're gonna watch like the stars from our bed tonight.
Since I'm a tiny person in a tiny house, how tiny am I really? Do you think I can fit through this window?
That's so funny. There's no ways. How?
I can't believe this place. Is it more of a tiny tree house?
Or a
is it
tent, or an
Or is it a
igloo?
triangle on stilts? I like it.
It's just so cool. It's the coolest thing I've ever seen.
This is so cool.
Just another sunny day in Southern California. It's where the people came to play. Don't let them transform you. Come and see what you...
Tiny homes have been a huge trend all over social media and on YouTube, and we never ever thought that a tiny home would be right on our doorstep here in Chiang Mai. And there's so many types. There's shipping containers, igloo domes, the little tiny treehouse triangle on stilts that we are in. Where we are right now is in a place called Monjam, and it's actually in a valley, and there is no shortage of coffee shops, and that's where we're headed right now.
It took us only 4 minutes to get to this most beautiful and cute little cafe, and it kind of has a similar shape, the triangle shape, to where we're staying, so it just felt fitting for us to go here. This is the view from the cafe. This is crazy. So we've ordered 2 cappuccinos. Chev is already inside, so we're just going to enjoy our afternoon with this beautiful view. How crazy is this?
Oh, this is just unbelievable. It's a little windy.
How cool!
This is the coolest rainfall shower. Oh, and it's sunny. So if it's raining and it's sunny, that's a monkey's wedding. If anyone knows what a monkey's wedding is, please let us know. We just had the most lovely coffee in the cutest little cafe, and we chilled in our tiny home for a little bit. But now we're actually going all the way back up to the reception area, and we're about to have something called moo-kata for dinner. Now, in direct translation, please correct me if I'm wrong, that is grilled pork, but it's actually a little bit like a Korean barbecue where we grill the meat and the vegetables ourselves. Now, in South Africa, we call that a braai, and in Thailand, we call that moo-kata.
This is where we're having dinner.
Wow, this is unbelievable.
How crazy is this?
We are the only ones having dinner here. Whoa! So you pour the water in there, and then you actually have to use like pork fat, right? Pork fat on top.
Which is this? This is the pork fat.
Okay, that's the pork fat.
So we put that on here, so it doesn't really, so your meat doesn't stick to the grill, and then we
grill. That's like bacon, pork shoulder,
pork.
That's chicken, and this is like rice noodles. Midway update. I don't know if we're doing this correctly. How are you feeling?
So happy.
You're quite good at grilling.
Good.
And there's our tiny home, right there. Good morning from our tiny house on stilts.
What an unforgettable experience this is.
I mean, I froze last night. I absolutely froze. But it was the most unbelievable experience. I mean, I never ever thought I would get to stay in a tiny home and love it so much.
I'm so sad that we actually have to leave today, and we're gonna go and find some breakfast and then maybe spend as much time as we can in this tiny home before we have to check out.
They have just brought us a traditional Thai breakfast, and we got some tea, and I think we've got some chicken soup with rice. And this is our view for breakfast.
This is such a cool surprise. We were not expecting to have breakfast in our room. What a perfect way to enjoy our morning, having delicious northern style Thai breakfast with our feet over the ledge. This is like the most perfect morning.
Cheers. So we're actually making our way now to the flower farm, which is literally down the road, and we are going in this. So cool.
We're not quite sure what to expect, but I'm excited.
I've seen pictures on Google, looks absolutely amazing. Thank you.
This is like not even a road. We're making our way down the valley.
Ah, yes, I'm all right.
Wow.
Look how beautiful.
Enjoying?
I don't think I've ever seen something so beautiful before. We are completely surrounded by these beautiful flowers. It just doesn't get better than this. Even Devon's excited. Oh, there he goes. It's absolutely beautiful. Wow. Could not think of a better way to end our day. I mean, the flower fields have been absolutely breathtakingly beautiful, and I think this is the perfect way to end our little video. Please let us know if you enjoyed our stay at our tiny home in the middle of nowhere in the middle of the jungle. And if you would like to stay here, the price for this place cost 2,190 baht, and it was really jam-packed. You get to go to the flower field, you get breakfast, and you get the most exquisite stay. And let us know in the comments below if you would stay in this tiny home.
So thank you so much for watching. Please remember, after you like this video, please remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified on all our future videos here in Chiang Mai, and we will see you in the next one.
Bye from the flower fields.